Friends, this is a Into the Dead game. This game is very good game, plus all the good graphics. I will tell you about the secret of this game. So do watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel. So you have to collect gold here so that you can buy your stuff in the store. Sometimes you have it like this, so you can just buy your stuff from here. Then you have these collections. Okay, in these collections you have weapons which you can use it when you are running. Okay, so this all are my good weapons. This one is a very good weapon, Colossus. It is level 11 for me. And then we have special weapon. You can see type of rifle. This is also very nice weapon, Cobalt MK4. So if you have to kill an armored zombie, you have to use this weapon. Then special weapons are very good because they can kill at one time a lot of zombies. So I have this XM4 Titan. This is a very nice weapon, special weapon. Okay, then here you have the boost. You have a lot of boost, as you can see here. I have a lot of boost here, starting ammo, and for all of the weapons that you have boost here. So after collecting point on each stages, you can boost. So when you have 20 out of 20, you have to just press here, and if you have the same coins, so upgrade your weapon. Upgrading weapon is very important because once your weapon is upgraded, you can kill the higher zombies. Okay, then you have these companions. So now I have a lot of good companions. I would say the Malayan tiger is the best because it saves you. As you can see here, the percentage saving is 70%. So approximately out of every 3 run he will save me 2 times. Okay, then this bear is good because once he shout, all the zombies would be standstill. This alpha wolf is also good since it have a lot of wolf together, and once you press on its time, so I will show you each and every one of this companion in one of the slides. Okay, then the mission, you have the mission card, 4 part, 5 part. Out of this, every day you have to collect. These are the missions for every day. So once you collect, I would say collect each and every one of them so that you can complete your mission. And ARC 9 battalion, this is getting upgraded only by the mission card, so you cannot use gold to upgrade this. Now here you can see this setting. Sometimes you get the coins and all the gold here, so you don't have to miss it. Now here what you have is daily. So in daily, every day you have a new challenges. Okay, so once you complete that, you will get that part. So today's challenge is 90 kill and you get level 8. Normally before they used to give a good level weapons, so after the upgrading the level has become less. So if your level is not good, you are not able to kill the tougher zombies. This knife is very important, the one you can see here, because it kills every zombie like in your one run. So if a zombie catches you, so this knife will save you one time. Okay, now here we will go to story. So story is the main, because now I will tell you about the story. Okay, story starts from level 1 and it goes through various stages, reaching here, going to hell. Okay, till 60. Okay, in 60 you have 3 ending. So ending 1 I have already come across. Ending 2 is the ending. Okay, I will play ending 1 here. Okay, and ending 3. So ending 3 you have to unlock the elite stage. So how you can do the elite stage? So once you complete all the 5. Okay, so suppose if I click here, they have the 5 tasks. First you have to survive, get 40 kill, get 60 kill, get 3 kill with 1 piercing ammo shot, get 15 point blank shot. Okay, so once you complete all the 5 stages, So here I am missing 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, so that's why I am unable to n plus 3 unlock that stage. So once I have completed here elite stage, so then you can reach the third final. You got it? In this one, here you get dog. Okay, so when you're playing initially, you get dog here. Initially you won't get that good weapon, you get only shotgun and normal. This weapon you will get brute double, okay, shotgun, and plus you get one of the weapons from here, that is I'll tell you just now. Okay, so here G911 Enforcer, that is something you get in the initial. Okay, so after that you have to start making your weapons by collecting the gold or by watching videos. Okay, then you get the 10 part. Here if you spend 800 gold, you will get 100 parts. In dog trade, if you spend 800, you will get 100 parts.